In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your WhatsApp number to Facebook Marketplace, a handy feature for those who want to improve their communication with potential buyers. This process allows you to connect with individuals directly, thereby enhancing your sales experience by maintaining clear, immediate communication. Let's dive into the steps and make sure you have WhatsApp integrated smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to Facebook, open up your web browser or app, and log into your account. Make sure you're using the account where you'd like to integrate your WhatsApp number. Once you're logged in and on your Facebook homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture or an avatar there. Give it a click. This is your access point to a range of settings that we're going to explore. With your profile menu open, you should see an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on this to proceed to the next layer of settings. Facebook often updates its interface, so if you're having trouble finding this option, do a quick scan for small menus or icons that suggest settings or privacy controls. After selecting Settings and Privacy, you'll notice another option now appears, Settings. Click on this to get into the core settings page where you have control over various attributes of your Facebook account. Here is where we are going to find the way to link WhatsApp with Facebook Marketplace. Once you're in the settings panel, look to the left side of your screen. There you will find several options, but what we're focusing on today is the WhatsApp section. Click on WhatsApp to begin the integration process. Now you will see the opportunity to add your WhatsApp number. This step is crucial. You'll want to enter your WhatsApp phone number accurately to ensure it gets correctly linked to your Facebook Marketplace. Type in the number that is registered with your WhatsApp account. Once you've entered this, Facebook will guide you through verifying your number. This might involve receiving a verification code via SMS or a similar method, so keep your phone handy. Following the verification process, you'll have successfully integrated your WhatsApp with your Facebook Marketplace profile. This integration means that your potential buyers can see your WhatsApp contact option when they interact with your listings. It's a great tool for facilitating quick and direct communication, so you're less likely to miss out on sales opportunities due to messages getting lost or delayed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively enhanced your selling profile, making it more accessible and attractive to potential buyers. If you need a recap or encounter any issues, rewind and go through the video again at your own pace. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.